Make a great choice today with the 2021 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front license plate bracket, tires, front all-terrain, convertible soft top. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.